Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kits that I'm planning to use for June. Kind of crazy, we're already there, but we are. So I'm going to share what I plan to use. Obviously, this is always subject to change, but this is my plans as of now. So for the first week, it's May 30th through June 5th. That is Memorial Day, and then also the following weekend, we have some plans to do a bunch of home tasks. So I thought that this kit, it's called Scourgify from Chasing Chels, was like perfect for this kind of week. Also, I think the bright orange that's included really makes it feel summery. So these are the full boxes, some deco and functionals, and some washi strips or headers, bottom washi, date covers, this like plain box if you want to put like a quote of some sort there. More boxes and deco, more boxes, glitter headers, and then some bow checklists and some more boxes. So this is the kit that I plan to use for that first week. I'm not sure if this is her mini kit format or her full kit format. I cannot remember, to be honest. But either way, it has everything that I need to really get things done. It's definitely compatible with foil if you want to add it. I don't know if I'm going to or not. We'll have to see how that goes. The second week is June 6th through 12th, and I just really wanted a summery kit, so I picked this one from Organized Potatoes called Pineapples. It's very summery. It says Happy Summer even. I thought it was fun and bright and cheerful. No real like particular reason for using this kit, but I thought it would fit. And then the week of June 13th through 17th, I have a very busy week at work, and I'm actually going to a conference, a one-day flying in to New York City and then flying out all that same day that week. So I am going to use this very old kit from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. I've used this kit before. It's called Planner Girl, and it's just one of my favorites, so I ended up buying it again when she had a sale. This, I believe, is her ultimate kit format, which honestly I can usually turn into 2 weeks if I need to. But this is the full boxes, full box checklists, boxes and functionals, headers and little things, bottom washi and date covers, and then the weekly box, bunch of icons, checklists, flags, things like that, glitter headers, washi strips, and then this page is a bunch of like icons and things like that. So this is like all I'm really going to need for that week, which is going to be great because it's going to be very busy. The fourth week is June 18 through 24. That's the official start of summer if you use like the summer equinox kind of date. So I wanted a summery kit. This one is from Lovely Planner. It's called Happy Summer. It says summer is a state of mind. I think it's super cute, bright, cheerful, definitely yellow, and this bright, cheerful yellow especially feels very summery. So I'm excited to use it for that week. I don't really have anything particular planned, but I thought this was like a good vibes for the summer feels that I wanted. And then the last week is June 24th through July 3rd. That particular weekend, I'm going to go visit my family, and we are going to do wedding dress shopping for my sister. So I wanted a kit that kind of fit with that theme rather than like 4th of July or something. Also, 4th of July is the following week technically, but whatever. So I pulled this kit from Pretty Planner Printables. It's called Gorgeous. Not exactly wedding dresses, but I feel like the fashion vibes seems nice, and I like the pink girliness. I think it'll be a lot of fun to use. So that was the kit that I pulled for that week. So this is my plans that I have going. Subject to change, of course. But hopefully this is what turns out, and you'll see these kits showing up in the coming weeks in various weekly plan with me's and things like that. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what kits you're using for June. I love to hear about that, especially ones that I could use in July or August. That's always helpful as well. I haven't done planning for that yet. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops. These will eventually show up there as well. I also show bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, things like that. And until next time, bye.